Welcome to the Door Maker. This video will show you how to order custom cabinet doors online using our Build-A-Door tool. On the home page of our website, you will see Get Bad Build-A-Door on the right-hand side. You want to click on that to start designing your cabinet doors. We have a few tabs at the top. In this video, we are going to walk through the Doors tab. The first section shows you all our panel profile options. You can choose from our selection of flat, raised panel, or shaker-style cabinet doors. Once you have selected your cabinet door panel, you then choose your door style. The door style refers to the inner panel of your cabinet door. Here you can choose whether your cabinet door panel will be flat, square, or arched. For example, Panel Profile A, Pillow, and Slanted are only available in style 2001, since they are all flat panels. Our raised panel doors, such as Profile C and D, let you choose door styles 2002 to 2007. When you choose door style 2002, the inner panel will be squared, just like the image you saw of the panel profile in the first section. Choosing door styles 2003 to 2007 will give your cabinet door panel an arch. For shaker-style doors, you will be able to choose door styles 2002 and 2008. In the third section, you can customize the edge profile of your cabinet door. The edge profile refers to how the edges of your doors are designed. Your options include rounded, beveled, or square. For example, edge number 2 is beveled, edge number 4 is slightly rounded, and edge number 7 is squared. Next, choose the color of your cabinet door. We have over 150 colors broken down into 4 color groups. Group 1 consists of our matte finishes. Group 2 and 3 consist of all of our textured and wood-grained finishes, and Group 4 consists of our high-gloss finishes. You can also choose the MDF-only option. If you will be painting your cabinet doors, please indicate in the notes section that you need paint-grade MDF. There are no additional fees for this. You can also customize the back color of your cabinet doors. The default option is white melamine, or you can choose to match the front color of your cabinet door. Section 5 lets you customize the grain direction of your cabinet doors. If you have selected a solid color, you can select any option here. If you have selected a textured door with a wood grain finish, you can indicate whether you would like the grain direction to be vertical or horizontal. The last and final section is where you input your size requirements. You have the option to input your measurements in inches or millimeters. Once you have entered the width, height, and quantity, you have a few more options. Click on View Additional Options. The first option that you can select are bump-ons. These are clear domes that are applied to the inside of your cabinet door panel at both the top and bottom. Bump-ons help to protect the surface of your door. The next add-on item is holes for hinges. Please note that holes are not drilled unless this option is selected. Our standard drilling location is 3.5 inches from the top or bottom of the door to the center of the hole. You can also request a special location. Please indicate your required measurements in the notes section below. If you require holes to be drilled, please ensure that you select this option for each cabinet door that you add. We also sell Bloom's soft closing hinges. Each cabinet door requires 2 hinges. Please ensure that you select this option for each cabinet door that you add. The last add-on is the Knob and Pull drilling template. The Richelieu Knob and Pull drilling template helps you install handles and knobs perfectly on both your cabinet doors and drawer fronts. This kit includes a knob drilling template, a pull drilling template, and one 3/16 drill bit. You will only require one template for your order. The Notes and Comments section lets you add any additional information. You can also upload documents and pictures here. Now that I have explained all the details, let us work through an example. For the panel profile, I am going to select the Vermont Shaker. In the Door Style section, you can see that the only available option is 2002, and that all other options are grayed out. When options are grayed out, it means that those designs are not available with the panel profile you have chosen. For the edge profile, I want the edges to be squared, so I am going to select Edge Profile number 7. For the color, I am going to choose Cashmere. I want the front and back to be the same color, so I am going to check off the Match Front option. Since I have selected a solid color, the grain direction of the door does not matter. I am going to select Vertical. Now for the dimensions. My first set requires width 15 inches by height 30 inches, and I need 2 doors in this size. Under Additional Options, I am going to select Bump-ons, Standard Location for the hinge holes, and Soft Closing Hinges. To add more doors, I am going to click on Add Another Door and input my measurements and select my add-ons. If you are planning a two-toned kitchen and would like to add additional panel profiles and colors, click on Add Set to Shopping Cart, and then click on Add Another Set and work through the Build-A-Door tool again, selecting all your options. Once you add Set to Shopping Cart, you will be able to review your order. If you need to remove an item, click on the plus sign and then click Delete. If you need to make a change to the measurements, click on the text box that needs to be adjusted. To add more items, click on Add Another Set. Once you are ready to check out, simply click on Update and proceed. And there you have it. You have designed your cabinet door online.